Welcome to Sawdust and Cornbread. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill, patch, and repair any holes you have in an existing concrete slab floor. If you haven't seen my video about 3 ways to finish a concrete slab floor, be sure to click this link right here. There are 3 awesome ways that I used in my own basement that look professional and fool the eye into thinking these are totally new surfaces. So without further ado, let's learn how to patch those holes before we finish the floor. These holes that I so casually said, oh, all I've got to do is patch some holes and then I'll be able to do the floor. Well, these little holes have turned into a major issue, and what may start out as a little speck has had years of deterioration where the floors have not been sealed. There's probably maybe a dozen of those. This is one of the holes that I've already started digging out debris. This is just where the floors were not sealed. Somebody had mentioned that possibly it was a pesticide treatment, but there is no way that all 12 of these holes in just random spots around the room were some kind of a treatment before we moved into the house. This is just corrosion where there was a weak spot on top and then water and debris got in it over the years. But you can see here, I mean, it just keeps going down. So I'm going to continue digging these holes out, cleaning them out before I can even patch them. So this has taken a little bit longer than I thought, but hey, we're going to get through it. We're a step closer, right? Alright, I think I have finally got these holes cleaned out enough to patch them with this Rust-oleum patch kit. And it comes with a part A activator and a part B base, and we're supposed to mix it 1 part of the activator to 2 parts of the base. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. It has to dry for 8 hours, but these holes are a little bit deeper than it's supposed to be for. So I'm going to let those cure overnight. That way tomorrow I'll be sure it'll be ready for the flooring. But I've got to say, when I open these things up, it smells horrible. Not a big chemical fan anyway. Synthetic chemicals, you know, I work with organic cosmetics, so this is new to me. It smells horrible, but we'll get through this quickly and we're a step closer. So this is the way it looks after it sits overnight. It's kind of shiny. The epoxy is solid and it's hard as a rock. Filled the hole perfectly. I went through all of these were holes and scuffs that I patched, and I sanded them to take off the shine. I did give it one more vacuuming as well, but after all of that's done and all dried up and all the spots are completely solid, and put the coat down on the floor. As you can see, there is a little work involved in preparing and getting those holes taken care of, but it is so worth it. These finished basement floors are so much easier to clean. I can just wipe them off, sweep them, mop them. They have been a big help downstairs, and I think they will be for you. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next week.